Welcome to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm your host, Jill Malandrino, global markets reporter at Nasdaq. Joining us at the market site in Times Square, we have Rob Barnett. He's the head of retirement distribution at Wilmington Trust, and we're going to take a look at Wilmington Trust CIT tickers on the Nasdaq Fund Network. Rob, it's great to have you back with us at market site. And last time we spoke, you mentioned the work you're doing around collective investment trust, more commonly known as CITs. Briefly recap what they are and why they're important for investors.
Thanks for having me back, Jill. Appreciate it. CITs are an investment vehicle that are only eligible to qualified retirement plans. Because they're only available to qualified retirement plans, they offer a cost savings to retirement plans typically, and can vary between 5 and 20% depending upon the size of the plan. We've even seen it higher than that. These vehicles tend to be more efficient than some of the other vehicles for retirement plans from a cost perspective and also from a performance perspective. So we're really excited about where CITs are going and how we're helping them move along.
And some exciting news, Wilmington and Nasdaq recently announced a collaboration to register the CIT tickers on the Nasdaq Fund Network. Congratulations on that. What does that mean for the financial industry?
Well, this is a great initiative for both firms. We're really excited about it. What we see here is one of the biggest obstacles with collective investment trusts has been transparency. Because they're only available to qualified retirement plans, information on the vehicles and the underlying investments aren't widely available. So through the partnership with the Nasdaq Fund Network, we believe that we're going to be able to get information out to advisors and plan participants on a more widespread basis, so they can have a good view into the information on the funds.
Now, what kind of impact does this have on CITs?
Well, this is a validation point. So we believe that this really puts CITs on a level playing field with similar vehicles like mutual funds or ETFs in terms of the participants, advisors, plan sponsors being able to really access information and understand that it's a real vehicle, because up to this point, again, information has been spotty. So this partnership with the Nasdaq Fund Network really is a validation point for the business.
All right, and to wrap up here, what is next for CITs?
Well, two things. Again, a continued push on transparency, right? Just because Wilmington Trust is partnering with the Nasdaq Fund Network doesn't mean that it's broadly used. So, we're hoping that this sets a benchmark for everybody, so more firms and more CITs adopt using the Nasdaq Fund Network. And then secondarily is advisor education, right? Advisors are our gateway to retirement plans and the participants, and we need to educate advisors on the various vehicles available to qualified retirement plans.
All right, Rob, thanks so much for joining us at Market Site. And thank you for joining me on Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, global markets reporter at Nasdaq.